Y'all see how this is looking? I got braids. Hey. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon.
Love me, chain like a slushy, wrist like an ice pack, born really light.
Today's video is brought to you by ISEEHAIR. They sent me this crochet hair to try for y'all, and let's just say your girl did it. Feather crochet anyone. It is also Sippin' and Slaying. Your girl got her wah today because I had to focus. As you can see, it worked. So if you want to see how I installed this hair in about an hour, make sure you stay tuned. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this hair comes to us from ISEEHAIR. All the specs for my bundles as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. Y'all see I am out and about with the natural hair. This is what my hair loss is looking like. Let me turn to the back. You see the edges are still holding on. But this is what the hair is looking like to the back, to the middle. All right. I do have PCOS, and with that comes hair loss and thinning. It's basically androgenic alopecia or male pattern baldness. Some of y'all be trying to diagnose me with CCA, CCTA, something like that. The central fungal scarring alopecia. That's not what I have. Okay, so before you get in my comments, start telling me what I need to do and what I don't need to do, relax. Okay, relax. There is a difference. Some of that hair can grow back. As you can see, I did get some hair growth, and the hair that is growing back is retaining length, as you can see. So what I do have, I like to, you know, try to see how a style can work for me. And I saw this style on my girl, Mary. Hey, Twinny. All right. She did the crochet style with the singles in the front and then cornrows in the back. I don't know how that's going to work for me because obviously I have this right here and I don't want to put tension on this. So we're going to see how I can do this without having too much tension on my scalp. And I also want to do it in under an hour. Okay. No grease, no product. I need to grease my scalp. I need to give myself a scalp detox. I feel like it's kind of dirty, but not today. I'm not doing that today. Let me show y'all how much my hair has grown in. Like if I can part down the middle and actually see a line, that's how I can tell that my hair is growing. Is there a line? Y'all tell me. I don't know if it's straight or not. It's definitely filling in right here. That used to be a lot wider. I probably need to do a trim soon as well. Not today though. I don't know how thick I'm gonna do my plaits. All right, so here is the braid pattern that I did. Obviously in the middle, real thin. We're gonna try to fill that in with some hair. But this is how she's looking in the back. I did the cornrows right here in the middle and then singles around the perimeter. Y'all saw that I did add some hair to these 3 or 4 right here in the middle to thicken that up because that is my thinnest part of my hair. And yeah, I didn't want to do cornrows right there because of the thinness, and I didn't want to add too much tugging on the center of my head. So I'm just going to kind of fill that in with hair as I go. I may end up cutting some of the hair a little bit shorter in the middle to create a little bit more thickness in the middle. This should take no time at all. I'm really excited for this style. They sent me 4 bundles of the 20 inches. I'm not gonna wash the hair out the pack, but you can go in and do that. I'm just not gonna do that today. Stick it through the braid like so. Loop it, close it, pull it through, loop it on. Make sure I loop it on the string so it doesn't come out. Loop it on the string like so. And then I'm gonna take one, literally just wrap it around. I'm using my hair as a 3rd leg. So it's gonna wrap it like this. Add some edge control to my ends just to make sure she gonna stick in there. Braid it down, and that is it. And there we have the first one. It is 12:35. Let's see how long this takes. I'm adding extra hair on these ones to kind of thicken it up a bit. Now that I'm doing it with this Burmese curly hair, I feel like this would look really good with the like natural texture. More natural texture for my hair, like a coily texture, because of my hair being so thin in the middle. They sent me 4. They want me to use all the hair, but I think they forgot that my hair is thin, so that may not be possible for moi, but we're gonna use as much as possible to give it a full look. Let's do the back, fill that up as much as possible. Okay, it's 1:36 and we have used 2 packs of hair. This is how we're looking. I do want to thicken it up some, especially in the middle here. I'm gonna take the 3rd pack and I'm gonna start adding it to the actual root of the braid. Right now I only have it in the middle and then the end. I might even cut it to kind of make the hair shorter around my roots so it's not as long, you know? Let's just see. Let's see if it'll work. Cut it. Let's just see. Let's see. Bring it over and loop it. Bring it back. Bring it through. Definitely fills it in a lot better. I need to put some mousse in this hair. Don't I use Nairobi? I think I'm gonna try that. Kind of define the curls a bit. My scalp feels great, no tension at all. I still have 1 pack of hair left. I know they wanted me to use all the hair, but I can't fit that hair in my head. Not for how I did this. Comb my ends out. Not pulling. Good. Add a little water. I know I'm doing that backwards. And Nairobi mousse can dry down a little bit too fast, and I didn't want that. Let me go ahead and diffuse this hair real quick. So here's the final look. I think it came out perfect for what I'm able to do on my hair. I wanted to try this without doing a half wig and also not putting too much tension on the middle of my head. I feel Nathaniel. Y'all see how this is looking? I got braids. I was able to do boho braids on my natural hair and I absolutely love, love, love. Now I didn't wash my hair as y'all saw, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray mine down with a little final touch of my wig perfume. Or hair perfume. I also went back in and filled in my hair right here with my Topic pencil. The wand gives me a little bit more precise application. I did a style where I did like a ponytail look similar to this years ago. And I must say my hair has come a long way from that video in order for me to do this style. So I think it's safe to say that this is a yes for me. Now that price point may not be a yes for you. I believe the price with a coupon is about $213. You can wash and reuse this hair as much as you want. You can do a synthetic version, but that hair is about what, like $10 a pack? That's $40 for the hairstyle. It's gonna tangle, it's gonna mat. So say about in another month, you have to do them again. If you spend $40 a month, I'm no mathematician, but 40 times 12, even if you say 40 times 6 every other month, it's cheaper to keep her. I feel like I'm getting the hang of using the crochet or the feather crochet hair more now. I'm learning that you have to loop it on the actual thread piece. If you loop it on the hair, it's going to unravel. It's going to loosen. Because of how thin my hair is, especially in the middle, I don't have a lot of coverage. If I wanted to do a fuller flip over or all out look, I would probably add a track in the middle to thicken up that hair or do a half wig. But I'm not going to do that. I wanted to wear my hair up in a ponytail to keep it off my neck. I wanted to do the Miracle Knot trend situation on my hair for the longest time since I saw it. And I was like, you know what? I can't. My hair just can't do that. So I had to give it a little time to kind of fill in some spots a little bit. You know, it's still struggling in the middle, but this is your sign to be patient. Yeah, I can still do a half up, half down using my little clip right here. Okay. Okay, but that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to ISEEHAIR for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, any coupon codes I have for this hair down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.